About 65 million years ago, the Earth suffered an unprecedented disaster. An asteroid 10 kilometers in diameter hit the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico at an extremely fast speed. At that moment, the area turned into a fiery world similar to purgatory. The surface even melted, and the powerful impact caused fragments of lava to fly 10,000 meters into the air. It is estimated that the energy released by this impact exceeded 1 trillion tons equivalent, and then these fragments of lava fell back. Thick clouds of dust also enveloped the entire Earth, along with the atmospheric flow, causing the complete collapse of the Earth's ecosystem and leading to the extinction of nearly 80% of species. In this catastrophe, some species still survived with difficulty and evolved step by step to form today's prosperous world. So in this video, let's assume that an asteroid of the same size hits the Earth. What will happen to the Earth? Whether we humans can survive or not, we will still face it. When a disaster strikes, the affected area will be devastated. If it hits an area where humans live, hundreds of millions of people will die within seconds. If you like this kind of content and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel now and turn on the notification bell to be the first to receive our new videos. Join us on this journey of exploration and knowledge. Then, after an asteroid impact, an unprecedented super-earthquake would sweep across the world, and cities would collapse. People in coastal cities would not only face earthquakes, but also huge tsunamis over 100 meters high that would sweep across a land area of 100 kilometers. Then, the dust fragments produced by the impact began to obscure the entire sky with the flow of the atmosphere, and plants began to die one after another because they could not photosynthesize. This series of disasters would seriously damage the Earth's ecosystem. Even if some people manage to survive the initial phases of the impact, they will not be able to escape months of acid rain and debris unless they can survive in an underground shelter. But even if they can survive, they will also face the risk of food and drinking water shortages. At the moment, only groups established by governments can survive using all available technologies. You can imagine how terrible it would be if the disaster were to happen again. But if we had known in advance that such a disaster was coming, the consequences could be completely different, because we already have the ability to change the orbit of asteroids. In September 2022, NASA launched an artificial spacecraft which successfully hit an asteroid 1,100 kilometers away and changed its original flight path. This also means that preventing asteroids from hitting Earth is no longer a theory. Although it is still a huge challenge for us to deflect a large asteroid, we believe that with the continued innovation and advancement of human technology, this can still be achieved in the next few years.